guys, welcome back to today's video. So we're going to be doing another PR unboxing. I love doing these because it's just a fun way for you guys to see what I got in the mail, what's new in beauty, makeup, skincare, and a lot of times I will get products that you might not see from other influencers because I am sort of like a micro-influencer, which basically just means you have, I guess, like under 50K followers or on YouTube, and it's just, I think, fun to see what I get. So if you enjoy PR unboxings, give this video a thumbs up, comment below so I know that you are interested, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also tap the notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload, which is quite a lot here on my channel. So let's dive right in. And if you guys want to know what I'm wearing on my eyes today, it's actually the Care Bears collection. I did another look. I have a whole video on the collection, but I did like a little mini look, which I will also post here on YouTube. It's under a minute, so you will see that sometime. Hopefully I'll upload it this week if you guys are interested in this look. We are starting out with a brand who always sends me the best skincare, Replenix. I've talked about them in basically every PR unboxing. They are a medical grade skincare brand and I absolutely love their product. We have a product that I do really like. It's their Retinol Dry Serum. It's a really interesting texture because it's a dry serum. It basically just feels like a cream. I am trying to transition from using a retinol to a retinaldehyde. If you guys follow Osmosis Skincare, their Dr. Ben Johnson talks about retinaldehydes a lot, how it's just a lot more gentle on the skin, and retinols and retin-A are very like peely and drying. You really don't want to subject your skin to that. I don't really experience that with this. My skin can handle it, but I am trying to transition over to using a retinaldehyde, which I will keep you guys posted on that. We also have, ooh, this is new. It's the Replenix Acne line. It's the oil-free balancing moisturizer. I love products like this because they're really gentle. I have not used this yet, but I go through my Replenix moisturizers pretty frequently. So this has aloe and squalane in it. It also has plant stem cells, algae extract. It is a high performance hydrator. So I can definitely see myself using this in the morning. I'm very excited to use this because I've been through like 2 Replenix moisturizers already. So this will be a welcome addition. And then the last thing in here is the Glysal 10:2 clarifying pads. This is glycolic acid and salicylic acid. So I don't think I have, this is the one that I don't like to use because it has acetone in it, and that just like freaks me out. I don't feel comfortable using any sort of product that has acetone in the label. I don't know, that's freaky to me. That's what you use to remove polish off your nails. Don't really want to put that on my face. So this is the only like questionable item from them, but everything else I've really enjoyed. So thank you so much to Replenix. I love medical grade skincare. I think if you guys should invest in something, it should be medical grade skincare. And of course also like supplements I think are very important to invest in as well. This next item, wait till you guys see these. Okay, so this is from a brand I have used in the past, Emil Cordon, and this is a actual luxury lip balm brand. You guys, I think this is the most expensive lip balm that has ever graced these lips, and they have the most wonderful scents and formulas. Like they have these beautiful, very niche fragrances. So this is their classic lip balm that they sent over, and this is French Pear. And when I tell you guys, these are insane. They're so expensive. They're not like, I can't even. They're very, very expensive. I will link it below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, just know they are very pricey. This one smells really good. And what's cool about this is that it's actually multi-purpose. You can use it as a skin protector. You can use it after the sun. You can use it to moisturize your cuticles. I believe they sent me 5. I have one in my car. This is White Truffle. This is their logo, Emil Cordon. They all look the same. They're in these little containers. I do have another lip balm from them that I use and love. I forget what's the name of that one. I think it's their Miracle Lip Balm. Okay, we also have, I want to show you guys my favorite scent that I've been using non-stop. Okay, it's this one, Cafe 212. It smells like a very sweet coffee if you like coffee scents. And then this one is Elder Flower. I don't really like floral type of scents, so I will probably end up putting this one in a giveaway so you guys can like treat yourself. Actually, you know what? I'll just give this one away in this video. If you guys want to win this, then I will send it to one of you. Just comment down below, and yeah, make sure you are following me on Instagram. That's all. So nice. Like, I love wearing those. I feel very bougie when I wear those lip balms. I'm not even gonna lie, like, it's an experience. Next, we have a package from Eau Thermale Avon, and I've actually never tried this brand before. I've heard of them but never tried them before. This is their Mineral Multi-Defense Tinted Sunscreen Fluid. It is fragrance free and it is oil free, and it is like a tinted sunscreen basically. So I love tinted sunscreens. I live in them. Like, I actually am wearing one today under my foundation, and this one, let's see, is it okay? It is physical, which is zinc oxide. It's not mineral, which makes me super happy. I always prefer to have a physical sunscreen. Just reacts better with my skin, and I know it's more natural. It has sunflower extract. It has rosemary leaf extract. So it looks really nice. Let's open this guy up. I don't know how much this is. I have to look it up, but I'm not even sure where this is sold. But this is the little, it looks very nice. This is the little bottle it comes in. It's 1.7 fluid ounce. So I'm very curious to try this. I will definitely be seeing if it's liquidy. We'll definitely be trying this out tomorrow. I am a huge tinted sunscreen lover. I go through them like crazy because I love to, if I'm just like having a chill day, which is most days, then I will just wear a tinted sunscreen. So that's why I use them so frequently. So thank you so much to Avon for letting me try this. Package from Olika, and I am doing like a little video with them. That should be fun. Two of these. I believe I've seen these also. So these are at Walmart. So they're really cute. They have the little carabiner attacher, so you can attach it onto something. And it's a ultra hydrating hand sanitizer. This one is pink grapefruit, and then we also have orange blossom. And we all know hand sanitizer has been, you know, the thing. So I do like to keep some in my car, you know, because if I'm going thrifting or something, I do like to have hand sanitizer on hand, or after I'm going to the store or something. And I like that this is in spray form. It just makes it really easy to use. So this is so cool. And it says it has 15 times more uses than similarly sized gels. It's vegan and cruelty free. And it also says that they have hyaluronic acid and aloe in their formula, so it doesn't dry out your hands like typical hand sanitizers do, which we know they really do dry out your hands. So I'm excited about this formula. Yeah, it's definitely really gentle, and it does feel very moisturizing. So I overall really like this so far. It's a cool concept. Next up, we have a package from Revlon X Lorraine Gray, which I don't know who that is. I'm gonna have to figure that out. It says, hey, this is Lorraine. So excited to share my Revlon Lorraine Gray Fierce Angel makeup collection with you all. Okay, so let's, I don't know who that is. I'm gonna have to look it up. I feel very, I don't know. I feel like I don't know anything right now. Okay, so this is the makeup bag it came in, and Revlon, whenever they send PR packages, they send a really cute makeup bag. So I love this one because it is like, what would you call this? Multi-chrome, rainbow chrome. See what is in this collection. They did like send an email saying that something in here might be broken. So I don't know. We'll have to see. This is the Revlon Color Stay line creator, and it looks like it's double-sided. So one side is a crayon and one side is a longwear liquid pen. So that's really interesting. Maybe, I don't know who this is. Angel Wings. Maybe they're a Victoria's Secret angel. This is the So Fierce Big Bad Lash mascara, which I have used, and I love this mascara, except they just put her name on it. And then this is the Color Stay Matte Light Crayon, and this is a really pretty color. I guess it's just the Lorraine Gray color. It looks beautiful. It's like a mauvey shade. Okay, she's a pop artist. I've never heard of her before. Is that so terrible? Here's she is. Can you guys see? It's so bright right now. There she is. It's the Unleash the Angel in You. Lorraine Gray. It sounds familiar, but yeah. And then it looks like there's also a palette. Okay, so the palette is really messy and broken. I think they are actually going to be sending replacements. So I will let you guys know when that comes in, or I'll put a picture on the screen here. Hopefully I can find like what the palette actually looks like. But this is the front. It's actually a really pretty palette like packaging. It's called the Fierce Angel palette. This next package is from Good Molecules. I love their skincare. We have the discoloration correcting body treatment with tranexamate mesylate. Don't know what that is, but it says it targets discoloration and promotes an even skin tone. And I love Good Molecules because they list all their ingredients on the side here, and they put like the percentage of each ingredient. I think that is so transparent and really cool. And it says it's a it says Turaceutic TX Vector, these names are really throwing me for a loop, is the first of its kind anti-aging depigmentation. It's active to help achieve naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic acid into deep layers of the skin. Do you guys understand all that? To try, and I think maybe I could use this on, like, I'm thinking like discoloration, maybe on my back this would be good for. So I will try this. I will try this on my back and see how it works on hyperpigmentation. Next, we have a package from, oh, this is cool, Anomaly, founded by Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who is married to one of the Jonas brothers. So apparently she has her own hair brand now. We are seeing so many celebrity brands, whether it be skincare, makeup, of course, and now hair care. We're seeing so many of those as well. So let's see what is in here. So it says hair care is complicated. Anomaly is black and white. No sulfates. Here, I'll show you the box. No sulfates, parabens, mineral oils or dyes. It's clean, cruelty-free, 100% recycled plastic bottle. Okay, so first up, this is cool. We have the Bonding Treatment Mask. It says it transforms damaged hair to look healthier and shinier with a unique blend of quinoa and vegetable proteins. Nourishing formula to help feel stronger and more manageable. Okay, that's interesting. Very cool. I'm always interested to try new like bond repair products. This is, ooh, yay, a leave-in conditioner. I love leave-ins. And this says it has avocado and muru butter. It's lightweight and helps hydrate, detangle, and seal in moisture. And then lastly, we have the hair and scalp oil. So this says it's almond and rosehip oil, fast absorbing, weightless moisture to help your scalp roots and ends. Formula soothes dry and irritated scalps, frizzes teen, adding smoothness and shine without leaving hair feeling greasy. So let me see if I can, ooh, a lot came out. I'm gonna see. It smells so good. It smells like something, but I can't put my finger on it. Maybe like a product I used in the past. Let's tame some frizz here. My hair is actually not frizzy today, but maybe a little on top. Ooh. I mean, I'm only looking in the viewfinder, but this is really nice. Has a very like delicate scent. What do you guys think from what you can see? It is really nice and it isn't greasy. Like a lot of hair oils will make my hair greasy and weigh down, which I can't stand. I'm very curious to keep on trying this brand, these guys out. So far I really do like the hair and scalp oil. It's very pretty packaging. So way to go, Priyanka Chopra Jonas. This is really cool. And this is also made by the same people who make like Flower Beauty and Believe Beauty and all that. They are a very big company who makes a lot of like celebrity brands. This next package is from a brand called Moxie Lash. So we have, oh, this is cool. It's pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs to help with, well, I'll show you guys what they are. It's like a magnetic lash brand, which apparently it's supposed to be like the best magnetic lashes. So I am very curious to try these. So this is the lashes and it comes with the glue. So it like is supposed to attach right on. This is the Love Kit. Cute little kit here. Magnetic eyelash and eyeliner kit. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. There's also like a half lash up here. So you have the tweezer, you have the liner, and then you have 3 sets of lashes. Oh, that is so cute. It's a mirror to help with applying your lashes. So cool. So thank you so much to Moxie Lash. I will leave their website down below so you guys can check it out. The last product is from Avon. I think this is their yearly mosquito line send out that they do. So let's open it up. Have lots of goodies in here. Okay, first we have the Avon Skin So Soft Bug Guard Insect Repellent Wipes. These will be perfect for summer, especially because I like to be outside a lot, walking, riding my bike, beach. Those are also great for travel. We also have their classic. This is like if you got the Avon catalog from your mom when you were younger, you remember seeing these. This is the Bug Guard Plus Insect Repellent SPF 30. It has vitamin E and aloe. Such a classic Avon product. We also have this little bottle. This is the spray bottle, and then this is the spray bottle, but this one has SPF 30 in it, so that's the difference with these two sprays. So I am fully stocked on my Bug Guard. These are the little like caps. Okay, I think we have some other stuff in here as well. Oh, this is cool. It's a soothing sheet mask. Aloe Fresh Ice. Sometimes Avon has like other brands, and they'll send me brands, like other brands that aren't just like Avon, which is interesting. So very nice. This is the Avon Pure Roll-On Essential Oil. Oh, look at that. It's called Outdoor Friend. So I'm assuming this is maybe some sort of like oil mosquito repellent, which I do find really, really interesting. So this is the Face Shop. Okay, this is that brand with the aloe of the face mask that I was showing you guys before. It's called the Face Shop. This is the Fresh Soothing Mist. So I'm just gonna see what this looks like. Okay, oh, it's a K-beauty brand, so that's really cool. That's gonna be very refreshing, especially after like a beach day, to spray aloe on. Honestly amazing. And then this is the Aloe Soothing Gel. Oh my gosh, look how big this is. This is also going to be great. I hope I don't get any sunburns, but it is possible. So to have a really nice big thing of aloe on hand is a must-have, you know, especially like I said with summer coming up. So this is so cool. And the brand, like I said, is called the Face Shop. This Bug Guard. Oh, that's cute. It's a tote bag. I will use this for like groceries. Avon Bug Guard tote bag. So this is the little pamphlet. All the Avon bug products are DEET free, PBA free, water resistant. The travel size is 12, the pump bottle is 15, and the towelettes that I showed you guys, those are 16. And it's a roll-on essential oil, that's 23, and it helps keep you safe outdoors. It has sweet almond oil, lemon eucalyptus, lemongrass, cedarwood, vanilla, and rosemary. So that sounds awesome. And then the aloe products, the mist is 16. The face mask, little like sheet mask, is $4.20. And the ice soothing gel, which I think I got something a little different than that, is $11. So thank you so much, Avon. I feel very prepared for mosquito season. I am all stocked up. So sweet. I will also link their products down below so you guys can check them out. And that is it for this PR haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!